The crypto market is highly volatile and influenced by a wide range of factors, so having a well-defined market strategy is essential for achieving your financial goals. In today's video, we'll talk about market uncertainty strategy that will empower you to make smart decisions and adapt like a crypto ninja in the face of industry ups and downs. Here are the key principles of market uncertainty strategy. Informed observation. To succeed in the crypto market, staying informed is an absolute must. From breaking news to regulatory developments, knowledge is power. Keep your finger on the pulse of the market and get ready to make some strategic moves. Impact analysis. Assessing the potential consequences of crypto regulations on your portfolio is vital. Examine the allegations that may be leveled against specific cryptocurrencies or exchanges and analyze the associated risks and their impact on investments. Compare this information with the current state of your portfolio and make decisions that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Diversification and protection. Want to safeguard your investments? Diversification is key. Spread your portfolio across different cryptocurrencies and traditional assets. Flexibility and adaptation. The crypto world moves at lightning speed. To keep up, you need to be flexible and adaptable. Regularly reassess your strategy and fine-tune your investments to stay on top of the game. This may involve rebalancing your portfolio, or adjusting the weighting of your assets, or refining your overall investment strategy. Inclusion of lawsuit-affected coins. Consider adding a small portion of undervalued coins facing SEC lawsuits to your portfolio. If the outcome swings in your favor, you could hit the jackpot. But remember, do your homework first. Emergency exit plan. Be ready for the unexpected and don't forget to prepare an emergency exit plan to protect your capital. Determine loss thresholds and be ready to make tough calls in emergency or extreme situations. Remember, safety first. Now that you've mastered all of the essential principles of the strategy, it's time to take action and create a portfolio that thrives even in uncertain market conditions. Here is what our financial analyst suggests. First up, we have the basics segment that constitutes a whopping 60% of our allocation. This segment is all about providing stability and ensuring that we ride the waves of potential growth in the crypto market. We can't overlook Bitcoin, the undisputed king of crypto, which offers high liquidity and market stability, keeping your portfolio grounded like a rock. Then there's Ethereum, the pioneer of smart contracts and dApps. Including Ether in the portfolio provides exposure to the dApps ecosystem and potential for growth. Litecoin joins the party with its reputation for lightning fast transactions and low fees. This crypto adds an extra layer of diversification to your portfolio. Let's not forget about Bitcoin Cash. Born from a hard fork, Bitcoin Cash offers higher block capacity and lower fees. By adding BCH to our portfolio, we're gaining access to another exciting version of the legendary Bitcoin. Now let's move on to the stability segment that makes up 30% of our portfolio. When the market goes wild, these coins have got your back. Tether, the mighty stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, brings rock-solid stability amidst the stormy seas of crypto volatility. Next in line, we have the USD coin, another remarkable stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. USDC not only ensures stability, but also opens the doors to the exciting world of DeFi. Now, let's take a look at the thrilling potential growth segment, accounting for only 10% of our portfolio. These coins are the rising stars of the crypto world, offering boundless opportunities for growth and innovation. Here we have Cardano, a revolutionary blockchain platform with a unique architecture that promises to change the game. ADA holds immense growth for potential, especially with exciting upgrades and new features in the pipeline. And last but certainly not least, Polygon, the blockchain platform that makes the app creation and interaction a breeze. With a soaring interest in scalable solutions, Matic is poised to shoot for the stars in terms of growth. You can see that the basic segment in our portfolio example provides stability and exposure to the leading cryptocurrencies. Meanwhile, the stability segment safeguards against volatility. The potential growth segment also offers opportunities for capitalizing on emerging trends and developments in the crypto market. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Stay tuned, stay engaged, and stay curious. We'll catch you real soon.